Hey, how's going on? Azisa here. So in today's video, we are going to review the Profit Machine by Thomas Garests and Jonathan Montoya. So they are all very big in the affiliate marketing game, and they are both seven-figure earners. So what is the Profit Machine? So the Profit Machine basically, it's a very simple four-step process that is designed to make you money as quickly as possible, especially if you have full-time job, you don't have time to create content online, so you can just send traffic which is step 4 here, by using a solo ad, right? But it's very important to highlight that there's no get rich quick. It doesn't exist. Every business, you need to take actions, you need to track what you are doing. You measure your progress and evaluate and continue, right? So quickly I want to show you so this is actually the sale page first, right? So the sale page, the link is in the description, you can check it out. So we'll see so this is the first step here. So step 1, simply you join the Facebook group where you will get support. You will get support, you will get help, you will see motivation, because people will post their results, when they're making money, or they're making progress. You will see a lot of stuff that are encouraging. They are very motivating. So step 2 here is the upsell, and we'll have time to talk about that. So let's say you didn't take the step 2, so you go to step 1, step 3, you create your affiliate link, and then step 4, you send traffic here. So step 4 is the traffic authority that they are giving us as solo ad vendor. But definitely the system also, inside the system, you'll see that people are using Udemy to get result as well. So when you click here, so you will have basically the option here. You have the option, after you enter your information here. So you can try the program for $1, 7 days. 7 days you have the opportunity to see what the program is offering. If it's something that's suit your expectation, right? So then if it's something you want to continue, you can pay $37 monthly. So those are the current prices as we speak, right? So as we speak right now. And you have also the option to buy one-time offer, $27, right? So you will see the best converting traffic vendor that Jonathan and Thomas Garests are using, right, to make money online. So it's an one-time offer, or OTO here, that you can choose, right? So, and if you don't want to pay $37 per month, you can choose the lifetime $147. That's what I did. Basically, I went all in. I went all in, right? So Okay, so let's see here. So the affiliate you see the affiliate program, you have the regular profit machine. So the regular profit machine here is when you decide you went to step one, right? You go to step one, and then you decide not to go to for step two. You go 3 and 4, right? So you have only 40% commission here. You have only 40% commission when you decide to go step 1, 3, and 4. So you'll earn 40% commission, right? Okay, and I think I have it somewhere here. I was explaining it over here. So this is what you will get: 40% commission divided by 30% on tier 1 and 10% on tier 2. So I will explain also what tier commission means later. So quickly, let's talk about the big meat here, which is step 2. This is the big meat, so it's a supercharge. So not only step 2, the supercharge will give you 70% commission, right? So it will give you 70% commission, and also you will have the opportunity to build your list, right? So basically the system is using system IO, right? So they will share a list, some email follow up. It's really a lot. I didn't count, how many email we have, but it's a lot, because inside the supercharge, let me show you very quickly. So inside of the supercharge, you have a training here. So the training here, you will have, first of all, the instruction, right? So, and also how you can set up your system IO account, and they will give you some email sequences that you can transfer directly inside your account, inside your system IO, right? So everything is ready to go. The opt-in page, they'll show you how to connect your opt-in page to your affiliate link. Everything is explained over here, and you have of course short-term video training, Facebook organic, how to optimize your Facebook profile, content creation to get result. So all these are free method that are working, and is proven to convert. And of course they will add some stuff as well here. And here you can go back over here. So, and you will have the opportunity. This is a meat over here. You will have the opportunity. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, the 70% commission. So I will explain it later. So the additional income stream, that's what I was talking really about, the meat here. So they will give you access to legendary marketer, so you'll be able to promote the legendary marketer, so we don't have to pay for the program. So Jonathan and Jonathan Montoya and Thomas Garests are giving us access for free, so I register. So far I registered for legendary marketer for free, the 72-hour challenge for free as well. So I have to go over here to apply for Freedom Accelerator webinar, the No Face YouTube course. So, and they are planning to add is more to come here, and yes, which is awesome. So we don't have to pay for those programs to be an affiliate. And what is amazing, amazing and important to highlight is inside the email sequences, we also promote those programs. So the email sequences are very huge. Like I said, I didn't count how many email there is, so yes, so there is a lot. So there is also one question that raised, do you necessarily need system IO, right, to build your business here? So I will say yes and no. So yes, you need system IO if you are brand new in affiliate marketing. You are brand new, you don't want to waste time. You have full-time job, you have family, kids, 2 jobs. Sometimes you don't have time. So, and you don't have any autoresponder, any funnel builder, then this is definitely a good deal, because they will give you a link where you will transfer everything inside System IO and ready to go, right? So you can see this logo is like there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess this is the first it's first step, really. Yes. So, and yeah, okay. So when you go back, yeah, and step 4, as usual, it's the traffic. So let's quickly here explain. So this is already explained, what we have, and I want to quickly explain the 3-tier system. So basically, what is 3-tier system here? So let's say you bring a customer here, right? You refer you refer a person here. So then you get 40% of commission here, right? And then the person here refer 2 people here. So you will get 20%, you'll get 20%. And let's say those customers also bring people here, so you'll get 10% each time. So which is total 40, 60 and 70%. So that's what creates a 70% commission. So it's also important, very important to highlight that, if you are here, the money you are getting here, those 20%, so they're not coming from your commission here. They're coming from Thomas Garests and Jonathan Montoya on pocket, so you are not losing anything. So that is a 3-tier system commission, so which is very powerful. So it's basically a recurring commission. So and as we speak, the price for the supercharge, I think, is $247 as we speak right now. So it's a price that can quickly change over time, especially where they add more value, more stuff that we can promote. So okay guys, so this is almost 15 minutes of review. So I hope I went through all the details. So please, if you have any questions, put in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them. And don't forget, as usual, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.